maliit lang.
Pero chika, ito na si Rulo daw nakapag-break.
Si Rulo, wala namang magbe-break. We're okay. Every Sunday magkatrabaho kami. Like, people always tell me na dito kami nag-usap ng backstage or like, dito kami nagtatabi. Eh, ang laking ano naman, kasi every week magkasama kami sa akin sa gusto namin. Kasama kami. So like, wala talaga.
Kasi wala talaga yung break.
Wala naman.
Pero bakit naman yung mga gano'n? Parang the people around Rulo daw, medyo kumayos.
People around
Rulo.
Oh, I can't
Tapos
speak
doon
for
nag-start
them.
yung parang attitude lang.
Well,
Kasi
I
parang
can't
hard to deal with.
I can't really speak for them if kasi I don't know their side eh. So it's not my story to tell. Kumbaga, parang ako naman, as long as I know that Rulo and I are okay, we know what happened or what's happening with the both of us. We know kung how we talk, how we deal with each other. So wala nang problema sa akin yun. Kasi nga parang for me, the opinions of others, as long as you're secured with the person na yung may issue ka or yung may ini-issuean kayo ng tao, wala namang kailangan problema.
So nag-usap din kayo ni Ara?
Ni
Ara, so nag-usap din?
Yung sa Enka days, yeah. But ever since naman kasi we don't really hang out. Yung kumbaga we're really acquaintance lang. So, okay naman si Ara.
Pressure ba sa'yo kasi album? Kumbaga sa movie top crosser naman.
Grabe. Always naman may pressure when it comes to work ng ganito. Pero hindi ko muna ini-stress yung sarili ko doon. Parang ang focus ko muna is kailangan kong galingan sa shoot. Yun muna.
Grabe, ngayon na you have a lot of money. Ikaw ba yung nag-handle ng finances? Or your mom?
It's from day one kasi it's always been my parents who handles the finances. And I give everything to them. Alam mo, wala akong hawak because I trust them and I think they know best on how to handle it. But of course, I'm being involved when it comes to investments, when it comes to saving money. Of course, involved ako.
Pero ikaw ba yung money ever?
Hindi, matipid ako. Sobrang matipid ako and I'd rather spend on investments rather than yung mga luxury stuff.
At nahihil, ano yung masasabi mo?
Grabe na nahihiya naman ako sa salita. Siguro lupa.
Lupa na yun.
Gabi, mabilis ka nila. Mas na-feel mo ba na nag-level up ang career mo and yung popularity mo na yung as solo kaysa yung love team kayo nila?
It's different eh. It's a different take on the both of it. Kasi yung time na kami ni Rulo, we had a fan base naman eh. So I couldn't say that it failed. So parang okay din eh. Okay din yung Gabi part eh. But then right now, okay din na may solo projects ako. So it's just both a win-win situation.
And nakausap mo na siya about this new version of your works?
He knew when I posted the video on Instagram and he texted me agad na, Gab, congrats sa ano nga. He texted me na, Gab, congrats sa France mo, sa Mega mo, that's a big thing. And I said, thank you.
Do you have plans of going to Paris?
I'm really going to Paris. Yes.
Other activities?
Okay na sila.
Hi, Gab.
Okay. Ay, hello po.
Yung so excited ka na sa Paris. First time mo?
First time ko po, sa Europe,
Okay.
basically.
Okay. Kasi so many travels na yun. Nakikita ko yung Grab See You Later, di ba? Yung
Opo, yung hashtag
Honolulu,
ko.
Los Angeles.
Yes, oo.
So, how excited are you dito sa Paris? Ano yung mga activities na gusto mong gawin doon?
Gusto ko talaga magpaka-turista. I wanna see the Eiffel Tower. Alam mo yun, yung mga talaga pinupuntahan. And besides that, syempre magtatrabaho talaga.
Sige, tuloy na lang natin. Mag-aami ata. Sige. Okay, sige.